Welcome to the in front of me DOOGEE S86 Pro, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant on this device. So first you should launch the Google application, and after that click here on the right upper corner, then tap into the settings and click to the voice section. Then just tap to the voice match, and after that just activate Hey Google. You should click here once on the switcher, then tap to the next, read the description, click yes I agree, tap to continue. Now just click to the voice model and tap to retain voice model. Now just say, okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. After that, just click here to finish. And now we can see that the Hey Google feature is activated successfully. And as you can see, when I'm saying the Hey Google or OK Google, this feature is activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.